joints on the inside of this somehow are not working properly, and the water's not shooting through here. It's just getting stuck in there. The pressure on this water here shouldn't be coming out of here. Has a little central hose. I'm not anywhere near as far as an expert, anything like that. So there's no water coming down from the spout. And this thing looks like it's, I'm gonna clean this out and then I'm gonna blow on here, see if air comes out to the other side. Or I'm just gonna pull water here from the faucet itself. And I'm gonna try to take this apart. See if it's not too complicated. Okay. There's nothing clogged up in here, so it's something definitely to do with this. Tiny little cut right there. It's just this. It sits on the top. And you can see the gap right there. So that small gap that makes in between there is enough to actually cause this to leak. It's a Fluidmaster and toilet fill valve seal. It's got a small gap there. The other one doesn't have a gap. It's completely sealed all the way around. So when you do take this off, you want to put this right back in just like that. Put this in, press it, and it makes a really good seal. I already went ahead and just kind of used soap and cleaned this out really well. And by going ahead and cleaning that off really well, this looks pretty rusty right there, but most definitely there's nothing wrong with this. You want that to latch on. Once that is latched on there, then I can go ahead and go through the process of twisting this back on without damaging it any further. Any further than it's already damaged. Crimp on this and squish these together. That's what this plastic piece does. That's all it does. It compresses that together, cause a tighter fit here. Hold it. Press this in place. Hold it down. Press that bottom fitting so it can fit in place. Now this should be able to rise and come down once I actually that's how it's supposed to work. Top is supposed to generally be pretty dry as far as this area here. You know, fluid's supposed to come out of there. It's supposed to come out to the bottom. Once this dries, the actual bobber itself is going to pull up, push in. That little needle is going to pop in there. And once this pops up far enough, it's going to stop it. Just like that. Top rail right there, which slides into this and it slides into place. So I'm gonna put this back together, clean this, and that's my small little job after work. So hope you guys like this, hope this is helpful. And if you guys ever have a leak or have anything as far as your toilet, you can check out your toilet fill valve seal for a couple bucks. You can get it on Amazon for a couple dollars, and that's it. And I'm calling it a day.